Rise of Magadha. It was the first state in the Indian history by 6th century BC. 16 Mahajanpadas called Shodhasa Mahajanpadas were founded. Of them, Magadha became the first state satisfying of essential aspects on the state called Saptangas, as mentioned by Kautilya in Ardhashastra. It was located in Ganga Yamuna Doab, which made Magadha agriculturally prosperous and minerally rich. Its first capital city, Girivajra, and second capital was Rajgriha, and third capital was Pataliputra. All the capitals were present between mountains. Experts in different fields had rendered their best services to Magadha. Jivika, the first physician, belonged to Magadha and was the student of Taxila University. He was the court physician of Bimbisara and even attended upon the Buddha. Asakra was the invisible commander of King Ajatashatru. Rakshasa was the great diplomat and the prime minister of Nandas. Pingalaka was the great spy of King Ajatashatru. Kautilya, actual name Vishnugupta, born at Vidarbha, was the student of Taxila University. He helped Chandragupta Maurya to come to power by disposing Nandas. And Magadha was ruled by four dynasties, whereas Haryanka, Shishunag, Nanda, and Maurya. Coming to Haryanka dynasty, founded by Bimbisara, popular as Renika, he married Kosala Devi, sister of King Prasenajit, and got Kasi as dowry. King Ajatashatru, the greatest of Haryanka dynasty, killed his father Bimbisara. He conquered the confederate state Vriji and Mula. He shifted the capital from Rajgriha to Pataliputra. The city Pataliputra was originally founded by Udayan. And next coming to Shishunanga dynasty. This was founded by Shishunaga. Kala Ashoka is the greatest and he conducted second Buddhist council. Nanda dynasty was founded by Mahapadmananda. He was the first Shudra king. Alexander invaded India during his time in 326 BC. Dhanananda, the eldest of Navanandas, was the last ruler. Kautilya deposed the Nandas with the help of Chandragupta, who founded Mauryan dynasty. And now we will have a look on sources of Maurya. Ardhashastra, written by Kautilya, deals with Mauryan statecraft. It is divided into 15 chapters called Adhikarnas. The original text was lost for a long time, was discovered by Shyama Shastri in 1906 and translated into English. Kautilya also wrote Chandragupta Katha. Vishakadatta's Mudra Rakshasas deals with the diplomacy of Prime Minister Rakshasas of Nanda. The Buddhist text Mahavamsham and Deepavamsham talks about Mauryan king, particularly Ashoka. The Jain text Mahaparishisthapuran talks about conversion of Chandragupta into Jainism. And coming to foreign sources, Indica, Megasthenes talks about Indian society and general and about municipal administration under Mauryans in capital city Pataliputra. It was ruled by a municipal board of 30 members. Controversial statement of Megasthenes were Indian society was divided into 7 castes. And next, Indians have no habit of drinking. And third, India does not have slavery. Greek historians Justin and Stabro said that Chandragupta liberated North India with 6 lakhs army. And Ptolemy wrote geography describing communication system under the Mauryans. All the Greek historians except Erin quoted Megasthenes. He also wrote Indica, which talks about trade between India and Rome. Pliny the Elder wrote natural history. Pliny complained on the grain of wealth from Rome to India. And next coming to archaeological sources, Ashokan inscription. They were the first written recorded edicts in the Indian history. They were deciphered for the first time by James Princip in 1837. Inscriptions were written in Prakrit, Pali, and the Sanskrit Brahmi. However, the Kandara inscription was written into 2 languages, whereas Greek and Aramaic. Bilingual inscription. The Mansera and Sabajgiri inscriptions were written in the script Kharosti. Ashoka revealed his actual name in Maski and Gurjara inscriptions. The 18th major rock edict is the most important source on Kalinga war and change in the personality of Ashok. In the Sarnath pillar inscription, Ashoka called himself Dharma Ashok. In the Babru edict, Ashoka declared his faith in Buddhism. In Barabar cave inscription, Ashoka declared his policy as secularism. Ashoka visited Lumbini and installed pillar called Tumindai pillar, making the native of the Buddha. He made land grants and tax concessions for Buddhist monks. And coming to coins, Mauryans were the first to issue punch-marked coins. Mauryan financial year used to start with Ashada Masa. Gold coins were called Tola, silver coins were Pana. Each Pana was equal to 3 by 4th of Tola. Rupadarshak was the officer for maintaining the standard in gold coin. The mixed metal coins were known as Pashapanas. Chandragupta Maurya, the founder of Mauryan dynasty, he was called Sandrakotes by the Greeks. In 305 BC, he defeated ambassador of Alexander, Seleucus Nicator. The treaty signed between the two was the first in Indian history between native and a foreign ruler. According to Junagadh inscription of Rudradhaman, Saurashtra was part of Mauryan Empire. Chandragupta appointed Pushyagupta as governor, who constructed the Sudarshana Lake. He was the first to declare state secular and all his people were like his children, whereas paternal kingship we called it. And coming to Bindusara, he took the title Amitragata, which means killer of enemies. Greeks called him Amitragatas. He sent a delegation to the king of Syria requesting him to send wine, figs, and a philosopher. A revolt started in Taxila against the maladministration of Shishma or Suman, the first son of Bindusara. It was suppressed by Ashok, governor of Ujjain. Bindusara abdicated the throne. He followed the sect called Ajvikas. Ashok came to power by killing all his 99 rebels except Tisya. And next coming to Samrat Ashoka, son of Bindusara and Sudharma, came to power with the help of his minister Radhagupta in 273 BC. His actual reign started from 269 BC. In the 10th regional year 259 BC, Ashoka declared war on Kalinga, which 13th major rock edict is the most important source on Kalinga war. The main cause for the Kalinga war was the Nagas of Kalinga were looting the Mauryan ships coming from Tamralipti, which means Kolkata, the most important port under the Mauryans. The Kalingans were led by Dimavasi and Meghavahana. The war was fought thoroughly. Samrat was a changed man after the war. He was gradually attracted towards Buddhism. Samrat Ashoka developed his own social philosophy called Dharma or Dhamma. Its main principles are Satya, Ahimsa, Samyama, which means tolerance, Sankshema, which means welfare. Ashok appointed Dharma Mahamantras for preaching and promoting the Dharma. Later Mauryans, Dasharath followed Ajvika sect, Samprapti followed Jainism. Brihadratha was the last. He was killed by chief commander Pushyamitra Shunga. The main cause for the collapse of Mauryan Empire was economic crisis, which means gap between income and expenditure. And that's all for today's. Thank you. In the next video, we'll have a look on Mauryan administration and all. Thank you.